Monday morning to you. It is January the 5th. Happy New Year. Market will be opening in just a second. There we go. It's open. I took an extra week off in December due to a major life event in my life, and the exact details don't matter. So I am back now, ready to work with the market, and let's see how the day goes. All right, I'm in for a short. It doesn't look like I'm in at the best place, and well, I'm really not. I tried to take this as a limit order on 3 separate bars, and it just kept running away from me. Finally, my conviction said that this thing's going down, so I went ahead and took a market order. So here we go. All right, no surprise here with my poor entry. I didn't really want to move my stop up. So the market popped up on me and took me out for a point. That's all right.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm back in. This time I like the look a little bit better. Let's see how it works. All right, there's the pressure that I saw to the downside. We are good to go. The 987 there's potentially forming a bulge. I want to keep an eye on that. But I like this. This is why I was trying to get in with that market order. Let's see how it goes. Okay, well that bulge on the 987 turned out to be a bigger factor than I thought. All right. Well, I'm only down half a point. No big deal. Could have been out of the market earlier, but coulda, woulda, shoulda. I'll just wait for another entry. Okay, that bulge on the 987 is not finished yet. So when we got this nice little retracement here, went ahead, took a long. Let's see if I can just go ahead and get this thing to run on up, and I'll be done for the day. All right, that trade didn't work. Down 1.5 right now, no problems. Let me see if I can find a better entry. All right, just a little bit lower down. Still looking for that pop to the upside. All right, the pressure to the upside just is not happening. It came down, just tagged my stop, and I'm really okay. Looking at the MACDs there on the 144, I'm really favoring a short in here. Let me see if I can find a nice entry spot, and I will take a short.
Order filled.
All right, price just moved around my entry point there, and finally things got a little bit more clear, so I went ahead and took an add-on. Target's down below. Still giving myself just a little extra room on the stop right now, just in case it whips back before heading on down. But it does look like we have the down pressure finally starting to kick in. Oh, dang it! Our price just it was heading down in the right direction, and all of a sudden came back up real quick. I got out for a tick. Oh man. This market's acting kind of a little squirrely today, or maybe I'm just not on my game. Just wait patiently for something that sets up a little bit clearer. Well, that was a nice big pop-up. As you can see down there in the bottom left-hand corner, just about 2 points negative in my dome. Nothing really to worry about. If I am patient, I can certainly find a nice little trade to get me back to break even, and then a little bit. All right, well, I tried to get in at 1188 when that little pullback there just after 911, but it didn't get me filled. So I waited for this pullback, and I think we've still got some. We've got some pressure to the downside that needs to be filled. Let's see how it works out.
Stop filled.
How about that? Didn't work out well at all, did it? All right. Still, I got less than 3 points in the hole, so Patiently waiting. Okay, this time I got filled. Maybe not at the best spot. I gave myself just a little bit more room on the stop. And my target is down below. I think this pressure to the downside is going to get us what we need. Let's see how it goes. All right, it's after 9:30, so I'm kind of ready to call it a day. Trying to get just a few more ticks out of it so I can get a break-even day. And my target's down below there, looking at a trend line. So that's kind of how I'm setting my target, since this thing doesn't seem to be really taking off in a single direction. I think we've got some compression going, possibly even a slight trend to the upside. So target is just down below, pretty close to it. Let's see how we do. All right, target filled, and I'll say 1.1 points in my bucket for the day. I'll take it. A green day is always better than a red day. And just like I was expecting there, this thing's kind of moving itself up in a slow upward trend. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Happy New Year. And I'll see you again later. Bye now.